Okay, it's about 51 degrees Fahrenheit and about 8:32 p.m. Ohio, USA, Strongsville, suburb of Cleveland. Most of the day was nice and clear blue. Then late afternoon, early evening, started getting some spraying. Now you could look, see a toxic chemical, geoengineered sunset. Unbelievable. Ahead of the rain. So whatever their formula is, whatever they're spraying, it's going to come down in the rain. Is it aluminum, barium, strontium, lithium, coal ash? Who knows? Sulfur. Right along the Ohio Turnpike, Interstate 80, close to downtown Cleveland and Lake Erie. Nasty geoengineering. Had to ruin a good day. It was nice and clear and blue. You could see the heavy spraying towards the sun. Unbelievable. Fake clouds. Cloud creation. What's the experiment? What are they testing? What are they dumping? They dumping a virus? Unbelievable. May 13th, 2020. Strongsville, Ohio, geoengineered sunset. Unbelievable. Got the long daylight now. Summer solstice, that sun will go set right in the middle of that tree, right in the middle of that building. A little more to my right, a little more to the north. So there's your geoengineered sky.